Wow.
We're here at the Deer Lake Gallery in Burnaby. This is a show all about light, about the quality of light, the variety of light as artists see it and interpret it. There's approximately 23 artists involved in the show. It's a very exciting exhibition for us. It also includes an installation called the Infinity Mirror Room by Ron Simmers.
We're in the storage closet of the Deer Lake Gallery here, where Bill Thompson offered to let me use his storage area for this installation. I've been building infinite mirrors for a while, so I thought it'd be fun to build an infinite room. I know many other people have done infinite rooms, but I thought it would be fun to make an infinite room of moving lights. So I have LEDs programmed to replicate falling snow.
That look interesting. Who's that? There you are.
I thought this would be a really good installation for a theme of light. The infinite mirror thing has always intrigued me, and I like to do it on a big scale. And I view this as a prototype, as sort of an experiment. I'd like really to do a much better one if I had the right kind of lights and the right kind of support to do that.
Within the show, quite a range of art mediums. We have 2D and 3D work. We have sculpture. We have neon. We have some very interesting works by Judson Beaumont, another Burnaby-based artist. He created these wonderful log-like pieces that have LEDs in them, so the tops are lit, and they use recycled BC wood. We have mixed media work, and we also have some LED light features, including also a special video made for this exhibition. Just behind me, we have a piece that was constructed actually at the opening of Luminescence. So it was all those people who lined up for a couple hours to see the show also had an opportunity to make a community lantern. So they each added their little bit to this lantern. It actually doesn't have a light inside it yet, but it will be quite brightly lit. And it's a fabulous community event for us. So we thank the public and their participation. This show came about in a couple of us at the Arts Council brainstorming as what we think would be appropriate for a spring-type exhibition. And of course, the word equinox came up, and springtime and light. So we thought, wow, perfect topic. And we would custom a show around that theme. So Luminescence was born, and it's really about the rebirth of light for the springtime.